of BU Beauty by Bia in South Australia. I have so far completed one course with Elleebana, the lash lifting course using the one-shot lifting system, and I'm currently completing my classic lash extensions application. Elleebana products are phenomenal. They're promoting lash health while not compromising your results. Like, for example, the Elleeplex Aftercare Serum. I swear by it. I use it on my clients after every service. I retail it, I use it myself, my family uses it. Elleebana are really good if you ever, need to reach out, whether it be by email or Instagram DMs, just to say, hey, like I need some help, or do you have any tips and tricks or anything? They're there to support you. And they will quite honestly reply within a day. Like, I have had to be in contact with them quite a few times, and I always get the best response and extremely timely. They are incredible. I can't recommend them enough.